Hey, it's JC here at JC's Comics and More, your pop culture superstore at 6725 West Central Avenue. That is Toledo, Ohio, 436-17419-531-6097. Instagram, JC's Comics and More, www.jcscomicsmore.com. Saw this car over here parked in front of the compound pharmacy, and I had to have know more of it. Found the lady that owned the car, and if you want to check out one of my other videos, probably the video just before this one here, have an interview with them, and you can find out more about this car as well. But a very, very cool car, and I'm not sure if Video Game Underground, if Mike over there, if he's got any info on this car or if he's taking pictures and stuff. But very, very, very cool. But we've got a package to unbox, so we're going to get ready to go do that. And then also just some other stuff that we have in here. I need somebody to come buy this Venom statue and buy some of these Godzillas. These Godzillas need a good home. But let's open up this box here. And then I've got a Thor statue I need to unbox a little while later. It's just huge. But let's get this box opened. This is not a full case because this has been opened already. But let's see how many are in this case. And then also, I picked up on Tuesday some other new comics. Nothing too great in here. There's a few good comics in here. And then during that video, I'll talk about this. My blue bin. This has older 50s through 70s comics. There's Amazing Spider-Mans in there somebody inquired about. So we're going to go through the Amazing Spider-Mans that are in my blue bin there and see if anyone else is interested. We'll do some mail order later today, I am sure. But let's see what's in here. Get this opened up. I got 5. I did not order a full 6-count case, but I got 5 here. So let's pull these out. The new Unleashed Hulk figure. It's a new Hulk figure. Kind of looks like a little Mark Silvestri looking. I think they put more veins in him and stuff. He's got the green painted fingernails. He doesn't have purple pants on. He's got dark blue pants on. And looks like this might have been exclusive at the Disney store. Of course, they don't sell them there. Nobody buys them there. So we get their hand-me-downs because Disney doesn't make enough money yet. But look at him. Boy, he is ready to put the smack down on somebody. Look at those veins and arteries. It's like snakes slithering across his chest there. But if you do like these videos, as always, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell for notification for the next videos. Other than that, thanks again. Have a great Thursday afternoon.